romantic relationships go through ups and downs, and they all take work, commitment, and a willingness to adapt and change with your partner. But whether your relationship is just starting out or you have been together for years, there are steps you can take to build a healthy relationship. Even if you have experienced a lot of failed relationships in the past or have struggled before to rekindle, rekindle the fires of romance in your current relationship, you can find ways to stay connected, find fulfillment, and enjoy lasting happiness. Every relationship is unique, and people come together for many different reasons. Part of what defines a healthy relationship is sharing a common goal for exactly what you want the relationship to be and where you want it to go. And that's something you will only know by talking deeply and honestly with your partner. However, there are also some characteristics that most healthy relationships have in common. Knowing these basic principles can help keep your relationship meaningful, fulfilling, and exciting whatever goals you are working towards or challenges you are facing together. You maintain a meaningful emotional connection with each other. You, you each make the other feel loved and emotionally fulfilled. There is a difference between being loved and feeling loved. When you feel loved, it makes you feel accepted and valued by your partner, like someone truly gets you. Some relationships get stuck in peaceful coexistence, but without the partners truly relating to each other emotionally, while the union may seem stable on the surface, a lack of ongoing involvement and emotional connections serves only to add distance between two people. You are not afraid of disagreement. Some couples talk things out quietly, while others may raise their voices and passionately disagree. The key in a strong relationship, though, is not to be fearful of conflict. You need to feel safe to express things that bother you without fear of retaliation and be able to resolve conflict without humiliation, degradation, or insisting on being right. You keep outside relationships and interests alive. Despite the claims of romantic fiction or movies, no one person can meet all of your needs. In fact, expecting too much from your partner can put unhealthy pressure on a relationship. To stimulate and enrich your romantic relationship, it's important to sustain your own identity outside of the relationship. Preserve connections with family and friends and maintain your hobbies and interests. You communicate openly and honestly. Good communication is a key to part of any relationship. When both people know what they want from the relationship and feel comfortable expressing their needs, fears, and desires, it can increase trust and strengthen the bond between you. કેટલા મિનિટ થઈ ગયો છે? For most people, falling in love usually seems to just happen. It's staying in love or preserving that falling in love experience that requires commitment and work. Given its rewards, though it's well worth the effort, a healthy, secure romantic relationship can serve as an ongoing source of support and happiness in your life. through good times and bad, strengthening all aspects of your well-being by taking steps how to preserve or rekindle your falling in love experience. You can build a meaningful relationship that lasts even for a lifetime. Many couples focus on the relationship only when there are specific, unavoidable problems to overcome. Once the problems have been resolved, they often switch their attention back to their careers, kids, or other interests. However, romantic relationships require ongoing attention and commitment for love to flourish. As long as the health of romantic relationship remains important to you, it is going to require your attention and effort, and identifying and fixing a small problem in your relationship now can often help prevent it from growing into a much larger one down the road.